So 2 Corinthians 5:17, you can proclaim who you are tonight. Therefore, if any man is in Christ, he is a new creation. The old is gone, the new has come. Tonight, we can proclaim who we are. For thousands of years, one man could enter the Holy of Holies. Now, you and me, men and women, we can all enter the very presence of God. David said to worship the Lord in the beauty of His holiness. We get to do that. We've been covered. There's an invitation into the Holy of Holies tonight. We are a new creation. We are in Christ. The veil is torn. Come on, let's proclaim who we are tonight. Let's proclaim where we can go. We enter in tonight, Lord. Oh, I am not the same.